In last class, I completed those particular data dictionary related concepts under basic ABAP data dictionary, you can call, or ABAP dictionary. Yeah, ABAP dictionary. In that ABAP dictionary, we discuss some transaction codes like SE11. SE11 is main transaction code. Then remaining all are just only one step, only one step, 1 minute. Okay, SE12 is only one step. SE16 also you can use it. SE16N also you can use it. SE14 is for database utility. SE14 is for database utility. And SE55 internally we discussed. SE55 is nothing but in view I discussed maintenance view, table maintenance generator. Maintenance generator. This is about the SE55, and even you can cross check by using SM30 is one more code is there, views. Okay, SM30 is maintenance views. Maintenance. Okay, maintenance view. Okay, like this, these are all the transactions. Only this is pending. This is easy only for functional people supporting related issues. So we can use it this one. Okay, views. But these are all I covered. But this is internally it is covered. Means separate T code I did not give. Internally means table maintenance generator. Directly if you click here. Okay, let me start the session. There is the same user. In views, okay, SE11. Okay, and view name Z table. Yes, this is the name of the view. Okay, for this view, I think it is not there. I think. Okay, for this view, okay, I already explained the maintenance view. To check this view, or to view this view, here we have one option is there, table maintenance generator. Okay, table maintenance generator. To generate this table maintenance, okay, means we can use it. That shortcut keyword is SE55. Okay, SE55 is the table maintenance generator. Okay, table maintenance. Directly you can use it. Okay, SE55. The same. The output is same. Okay, output is same. You can create this for table maintenance like this. This all maintenance view also. Okay, maintenance view is mainly maintenance is mainly for like supporting related issues. Like example, okay, SM30, not SE30. SE30 is different. SM30 is different. Maintenance view. Here, any views are there. Okay, any views are there. Okay, those views we can check it here. Okay, those views you can check here. Like see, this is the view name. Okay, like waste type table name. Okay, to maintain the waste type table name, we can check here. Okay, any views, functional related views. Okay, functional related views. Like example, SPRO. This is related to functional only. I am explaining. not for the technical. How to use SM30. Okay, how to use SM30. Okay, SM30. Let me check. For each and every node here in functional side, say a defined company. Defined company is the node used by FI consultant. Here, edit company code is used by FI consultant. Here, if I execute this company code or company, this company code or company, for each company or company code or any business area, any tax area, anything. Okay, for this is we can call view. This is we can call view, configured by functional people. They will use it new entries and they will configure here. Okay, to configure this particular screen, to configure this one, we have one table is there here. The table we are calling view. To check that view, this is a print option. This is a print option here. If you click print, it will show that is screen. Okay, clearly that is a view name. It will show here. This is a copy that view name. Okay, v underscore t880. In real time, how they will use it in okay views means this is the way. Okay, view name is v underscore t880. Copy this view. Copy this view. Okay, v underscore, once again I'll repeat, v underscore t880. That is a view name. Copy that view, go to other session. Now this time go to SM30 directly. No need to go S11, go to SM30. Enter the table name. What is the v underscore t880? This is a view name. Okay, this is a view name. I entered here. If I click maintain, see immediately the same this structure, whatever structure, which structure, this structure it will show here because I opened here. That's why it is giving a display option. Now let me close this one. Come back. Now let's see. Click yes. Then the same screen it is displayed here. Here. Through SM30 also I display the same view. I can configure from this directly. If I know the view name directly, if I know the view name, this view name, I can configure by using maintenance. If I get any errors, runtime errors, table errors, then I can okay, this all supporting related issues. All supporting related issues we can solve by using maintenance views only. Okay, any tables we can use this one. Just enter the table name if you know the table name. If you don't know table name, very simple. 2 letters if you know. Put this star, then browse that particular view related. Then immediately all you can see 406 tables are there. Only which tables are v underscore t8 related. Then you can identify which field you are going to configure. You can easily identify all the related information. These all are configured by okay, SAP Labs people only. They created already the same table name. You can use it. Same table name you can use it in SC11 also. Here you can enter here. This is the name view, and click on display. Here also you can see. But here what is the name of the view? See here. Maintenance. What are the tables they used? Only one table. What are the fields they used? Only one table entry, sir. Company name, all the fields, sir. Then how they created? Using table maintenance generator. Okay, very simple concept only. Okay, what is the use of table maintenance means? To maintain the data. To maintain the data. If I click here content, from this content also I can maintain the data. Here also I can maintain. Here. Company multiple ways means if you are good with the SE11, SE12, SE11 and SM30 and background configuration, anyway we can configure. There is no need to go only SPRO only. SPRO is a one tool, one particular T code backend configurations. Okay, configuration that is used by functional consultant. But as a technical, no need to go each and every point to the backend SPRO. Then if you don't have the right SPRO, directly go to the view only, change here only, click on display, then check the contents. From here only we can edit it. If I want to remove this particular okay, Tata consultancy related, then I can remove it, I can add it. If I want to add it, I can add it. Okay, like this. All these options are possible by using this SM30. Okay, that's what SM30 is the code to check the views. SC55 is the code to generate the maintenance views. Okay, maintenance. These all transaction codes are related to ABAP dictionary only. All I covered. These two transaction codes for only for data purpose. These two, this one is main. Okay, this one. Under that, database tables, primary key, foreign key, views, structures. Okay, everything I covered. Now today, new topic name, that is you can call ABAP editor. Okay, ABAP editor. Okay, first report today we will start ABAP editor. That transaction code is SC38 and another one is SA38 also there. SA38 we won't use SA38 frequently, we'll use only frequently for SC38 only. But two T codes we have here, SC38 and SA38. We will use frequently SC38 only. Okay, let me show here what is the difference between SC38 and SA38. SC38 you have the options source, variant, attribute, documentation, like that we have. This is SC38 ABAP editor. Okay, ABAP editor. Let me open one more session. SA38. Okay, SA38. This is here. Okay, ABAP editor. ABAP program execution only. Say program only. Program. Here you can execute directly. Okay. Some people will use authorization only for execution purpose. Okay, those people can use only transaction code is SA38. Okay, SA38. Output is same. Okay, output is same. Here if you click here any output, the name, okay, maybe I don't know which name is there, ALV, let's see, ZALV. Then if I execute here, it is not there. Okay, not there. So one report I executed. No step is there or not. Interactive report creation. So here, direct execution, interactive report. Okay, this output has come same. If I double click here, it is also working. The same report I can execute it here. Let's see. This is a report name. I can enter here SC38. I'll execute here. Same screen has come. But in SC38 also same. After entering SC38, program name will ask program name. Then immediately execute. Same screen has come. This screen and this screen. Both output is same. Execute. You can see the output. Execute. You can see the output. But what is the difference here? You can edit here. You can change here. Program. But you can change it here, this program. But in SA38, if you observe now, is there any changes here? Change option? No change. Means user cannot change it for this is end user purpose. Okay, this is end user purpose. Direct execution. This is that's it. You cannot change. You cannot see the program. What program they have written. Okay, their program. That's why then they won't use it in SC38. This is about the transaction code. Okay, only two T codes are there, SC38 and SA38 for the ABAP operator. But many, okay, 50 to 60% of your total program, ABAP program, you will learn ABAP editor only. If you know only ABAP editor related programs, you will crack the interview in SAP related, okay, ABAP programming. Because many programs are, we can write it in SC38 only. Okay, SC38. Now today I am going to explain basic points. What is the internal table, what is work area, what is data declarations, one by one. Okay, one by one. Okay. First, yes, see, if you want to like use it any particular syntax, like example, now I have to print it here some sample data, like example, like this is Gangadhar program. Gangadhar program. If I want to print the same title, okay, then I can use it here right syntax. I can use it here right syntax. What exactly right is doing means it is printing the data. Means if you use it in a print option, if you want to print the data in SC38, you have to use the right syntax. Okay, right syntax. Okay, how to write it also I will give you. Okay, first this is a right means to print the output in SC38, to print the output. Okay. write is the syntax to print the output here. Okay, now like that we have the some syntaxes points are there here. If you want to comment any line, example, even I can comment it here, star if you put it, this line is commented line, this is the commented line, in ABAP. Okay, whenever you don't want any line, you can comment by putting star. Okay, here star is nothing but a commented line, okay, star. Otherwise we can use this double quote, okay, that is also commented line, why they have given two options means, okay, this is from starting, we can use it, means if you put in starting point star, then total line will be commented. Okay, right, these points are important. If you put star in the like first line means first point, first line, okay, then total line will be commented. In the middle of the line, if you want to comment it, you can use here double quote. Okay, you can use here double quote in the middle of the line. Okay, based on this particular one we can use. First let me show this two commented line and one write syntax, how we can write it. Okay, how we can write it. The same three lines I am writing, okay, star, double quote and write, how to print it. Okay, here I can use it some shortcut also, F6, F7, F5, okay, F5. Already told you F5, F6, F7, all the shortcut keywords, F7 and F8. All these shortcuts I am explaining. Then Control plus F2 also I am explaining. Control plus F2, Control plus F2, and Control plus F3. How to check it? Control plus F3. All these options I am going to use now. Okay, how to use it this step. These are all shortcut keywords for ABAP program. Okay, for ABAP program. Go to SE38, step 1. Okay. All these points I am going to cover some main okay, input related. Okay, go to SE38. Here immediately it will show that is ABAP editor. Okay, initial screen it will show here. Okay, ABAP editor initial screen SE38. Here you have to enter here program name. Okay, there you have to enter program name. Here that program name always, okay, we have to start either Z or either Y. Okay. Why? Because customization always will accept only, okay, with either Z or Y. If I start my program, just Gangadhar program, it won't allow here. Okay, okay, it will ask access key. Okay, it will ask access key, because we have to check that one first. Is it started with a letter is either Z or Y? Okay, either Z or Y. If I start Y or Z, see, create, then it is allowing. Okay, or if I start Y, if I click start the Y or Y starting letter, that also it will allow. Okay, that also. That's right. Always we have to start the letters either G or Y. 99% G programs only we can use, Z programs only. Okay, which we can use it means because many clients can use it only G programs. Okay, that is about the, okay, some information about the starting letter. Then after Z you can use it okay, any naming conventions. Any some particular clients they will use that particular naming conventions for clear naming conventions. If it is Z is starting letter means customization. R is nothing but a report. Okay, okay, R is nothing but a report, like that. That naming conventions will give. Okay, which model we are working, SD model or MM model, okay, FI model, what is the model name. Then 01 is nothing but a serial number. I'll repeat it once again. Z is nothing but a customized Z. R is nothing but a report. R means report. MM means which model you are 1 second. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. This one, like yes, ZRMM, okay, 01. Okay, this is a programming name convention. MM is nothing but a module name. If it is SD module, just will give that. This no need to worry. That is the programming standard codes are there. Using programming standard coding, we can write it this naming conventions. No need to remember any naming conventions here. Just follow the rules and regulations as per your documentation. Okay, your documentation. They have to share compulsory the document. Okay, even that points also I'll discuss later. But now for initial day only I am explaining what is the naming convention. These naming conventions, if you are following clearly in your project, you start with the naming conventions. If you are not following that any naming convention, start with your own naming conventions. Later also you can change it, no problem. First write any naming conventions and start that. After that, what program you are working? This is sample program I am writing. If it is customer program, write down clearly. This is customer report. This is sales order report. This is sales order item report. This is like that. This is purchase order report. Okay, now I have written sample. Sample means just we are using here. Yes, then default sub-objects are there. Default different sub-objects. Okay, we have source code, variants, attribute, documentation, text elements. Like that we have. Okay, different sub-objects are there. By default, source code only. By today's Thursday. Next week I'll start the source code related. Still around 10 programs I have to discuss for the sub-objects related. After 10 programs only, I can explain the what is source code, what is variant, what is attribute, what is documentation, text element. In the separate 5 examples I will give for each one, every point I will give in coming week, next week. This week still because we will start only basic related points today and tomorrow and maybe. Okay, now source code is by default. Okay, here source code is nothing but a programming. ABAP code we will have to write it. By default, source code only, any program by default source code only should be selected. Then only we can use it. Here shortcut keyword is for create is F5. Okay, here I have written here all the names. Okay, shortcut keywords is F5. Okay, click on F5. Okay, once if you click F5, see immediately it will show that is. Then F6 is nothing but a, let me explain. F6 is nothing but a change. F6 is change. But it is not there here. That's it. Some other like existing. This is interactive. Now if I click create, it will show message. Why this is existed? You cannot create it, but you can change it. That we can call F6. Keyboard F6. See, now it is going to change here. Continue. That program we can use it. Okay, F6 is means change. Then F7 is nothing but a, any doubt here? F6. F6 means always we can use for change button, but standard programs we cannot change it. Then F7 means display. F7 means display, only display mode, not in edit mode. You cannot edit it. Okay, you cannot edit it. Then F8 is execute option. F8 means execute interactive report. Okay, F8 is execute. Directly program you can execute. No need to go for each and every step. Change button. Then once again test, like that, no need to go. Instead of going to the change and test, directly you can execute here by using execute option. Okay, execute option. That is we can call F8. Okay, here F8 is nothing but a execute. F6 is create, F7 is change. Sorry, F5 is create, F6 is change, F7 is display, F8 is execute. Okay. Any program errors are there, you can check that control plus F2, control plus. Here like example, now I entered some, okay, some commented here, something I entered wrong here. Let's see. Now if I check the errors, it will show error. One error it is showing. Okay, then which button I checked here? Control plus F2. Immediately it will show where is that error. Row 10, red mark, it is error is there. Okay, this is the 10th line. You just see this 10th line, where is error? What is the statement? The tables is not designated. The correct similar statement is tables. If you don't want to write it, you just select this one. Automatically it will change it. it is changed now, tables. Now check the error once again. Okay, no error. Otherwise, if you comment this line, comment means star. Say first letter is star. Now, if I check the error, it will throw error once again. It is preceding the common. 13th line it is showing error. Clearly it will show where is this error. Sometimes it will show okay, before line or after line also it will show error. But you have to identify first to 13th line. Then check that 13th lines. Okay, 13th line. 13th line is correct, but 12th line is error. Now, okay, that type of okay, identification first you have to learn. Okay, which line error, where is that error? Then continues here. Now no error. Okay, these are all issues. Okay, where is this error? How to find out the error? Which row error? This is to identify that. Control plus F2 is a okay, checking errors. Control plus F3 is activate. Control plus F3 is an activate. Here see, it is revised version is the revised version. Using that revised version, we can activate it. If it is an active version, okay, we cannot. We can use it if it is in revised version, or if it is in inactive version, or if it is in partially active version, we cannot use it. Okay, we cannot use it. Runtime errors you will get it. Or direct execution we cannot run that one. These are all small point only. But whenever you are working with okay, real objects, you will face those problems. Comma related errors. Even one small comma, if it is not there, it will show error. See? Now I just remove the comma from this program. Immediately it is showing red color. Red color means in this line somewhere here 12th line or 13th line error is there. How you can identify? Check the additions type begin of must not be used together. Maybe it is irrelevant. Why? This is not the error actually. This is not 13th line is not the error. That before 13th line, what exactly program? That program you have to understand. What is the beginning of structure? Why we are writing this one? Today I am not going to give all the program. This program, okay, this is all the program, basic program. Today I am going to explain the what is the use of okay, tables option. What is the use of declaration options? Tomorrow class I'll start the programming and debugging. Okay, I'll start the program. Okay, comma. Today if you write it just basic related here. Now basically you will understand the how to write the code. See, now it is solved. Okay? Anywhere, not only full stop, not only comma. Okay, most of the students while practicing, okay, they will do many mistakes on commas and full stops. And data element related errors they will do. Okay, they will write it. Means instead of declaration, data element declaration, they will write it okay, different data declaration. They will get this type of errors. Okay, now let's see. I discussed about F5, F6, F7, F8 and control plus F2 and control plus C. This all frequently we can use it in total SC38. And now small program, how to write the program in SC38 I am explaining now. Okay, the same program I will write it. This is ABAP program, how to print. Okay, printing the line. Okay, printing the line. Go to same screen. Okay, go to SC38. Okay, write down steps, same steps. Small program like basic program, how to print okay, my program, or how to print this Gangadhar program or any name. Okay, how to print the line, or how to print the date, how to print the time. Okay, print the date. Okay, time, printing the time. Okay, printing the username. Okay, how to print it. Okay, how to print it. Okay, this all one by one line I will write it today. Then I will show it. Okay, I will show it how to print it. First, let me start this one. Then I will print it later. Okay, step 1. You have to start here Z. Because if you want to start, you can naming convention. You can start it. Otherwise, directly Z sample only can write it for the sample report. In coming session also, I will give naming conventions. No need to worry. Enter the program name. Click on create button. I'll repeat once again. Go to SC38. Okay, go to SC38. Write down steps, same step by step. Okay. Go to SC38. I think someone is recording. Okay. Okay, go to SC38. Click on create button. Click on create. Source code by default should be selected. The usage of other sub objects, I'll repeat it in, I'll explain in next week. Okay, you cannot understand today itself because so many concepts you have to learn. Then only you can understand this points. Now click on create button. Enter short description. This is sample report. Okay, sample report. Enter your own description. This is only here. This is what is the name of this one? Program attributes. Program attribute is third option, third radio button. Here third radio button. What is it? Attribute. This is only attribute screen. Even if you click source code, attribute screen will show. Okay, attributes screen will show. Next, here you have to understand some points. Attributes. What is a type? Why you are using this program? Okay, why you are using? Okay, that is for executable. Okay, 99% of the programs are okay, many programs which we can write it executable only in real time. Okay, the remaining only reusable purpose we can use it either include module pool, function group, subroutines. Okay. Otherwise we can use it only executable program. If it is executable, then only you can see the output. If it is subroutine or include module pool, we cannot see the output. We can use it in another programs. Okay, we can use it another program. Executable means we can see the output. Okay, if you want one point also you can write down. Executable means you can see the output. You can execute it, the program. Next, type of program is executable program. Now status, who is going to develop this one? We are. We means customer. Okay, that program name is customer production program. Why other names we won't use? Other names are only for testing purpose, standard program purpose. Okay. As a developer, we always use the customer production program. Okay, as a developer, we, somebody is using, I think. Okay. Sample report, click on create button. Yeah, somebody is SM12 list. Okay, select all and delete it. Okay, go to SC38. So go to SC38, enter the table name, report name. Okay, this is sample report, executable program, customer production program. Okay, this is we can use. And application is not about which application you are working. Is it MM application? Is it HR application? Is it finance application? Is it controlling application? Is it plant maintenance application? Is it MM? Is it sales? HR? Okay, whatever application you are working, that application name. If you don't have any application name, leave it blank. Okay, leave it blank. But there they will specify the application name also. If it is finance, okay, they'll give the finance name like that. Application is nothing but which type of module you are working. Is it financial report or is it MM report or is it SD report? Okay. Next, authorization group is nothing but for which user will access this report. Okay, which user will access this report? For which user will give authorizations? This authorization group created by administrator. Okay. But if you have like 100 users are there in your project and in your client, all 100 users cannot execute this report. Okay, only 10 users have to execute it. Authorization group created for only 10 users. That is done by basis team. Okay, they will insert the authorization group here. No need to enter any authorization group as a developer. Okay, no. Next, any doubt here? Authorization group. Next. Logical databases used by only HR ABAPers. Okay, logical database. Okay, as ABAPer, we will use we won't use it any logical databases. ABAP HR people can use only this logical databases. Okay, this point also I will give one small program in middle of the program, logical databases. No need now. No need to use any name. Selection screen is a default selection screen in SAP. okay, which SAP only automatically it will allocate it. That say default screen number is 1000. It is a default screen number for report. Okay, this is also one interview question. What is the default screen for report? Default one 1000. No need to enter the any number. Leave it blank. Okay, leave it blank. That's it. These two are by default will be selected. Okay, programming related check is inactive. Just click continue. Then immediately it will ask the package. Okay, I already explained the package. Just enter the your package. If it is already created, you can enter. If you are not created, you can use a standard package. Okay, standard customized only. This is also customized. Then request will come. What is the importance of request? Also, just other day I explained. Workbench request is created by ABAP. I am going to create for this report. Okay, for this report also one new request. This is a Gangadhar report. Okay, transportation I will discuss next coming week. Okay, so the new, this is a new request number, workbench request number. Continue. Now over. This is you can call interface. Okay, this is the ABAP editor interface. In this interface only you have to write it here. Okay, you have to write the code here. See here, already by default this is a report. Star has come. Star here, if I remove star, then total line is red. See here, red color has come. Red color means error, that is. Okay, it will show that error. See here, the statement line 1, it is showing red. Why? Star if it is there, then it won't show the store. So now no red means if it is any line before line. See here, now here also no star. If I put star, that total line will be commented. See, comment means first line if it is there, this automatically this one it will come automatically. Even if you don't want, you can remove it also, no issue. But this is a default one. Okay, sorry, the default one you can keep it. What is the use of this one heading in this one commenter line? If you want to write it here something like this is my program. Okay, this is sample program, like okay, your own notes. Okay, you can write down clearly. Okay, so this it won't consider this one. This is just only sample. Okay, sample like understanding what is a report. Like to understand this one, okay, this technical related information, okay, commenting related information. We can write it like this. This is about the just only header. Okay, header, comment lines. Okay, no need to uncomment here. Then report. Every report should have the report option with your name, with whatever program name you created. That is a report related. Then from here we have to start here the code. Okay, code you have to start. If it is any star, if you put it like I am explaining in report level, this is commenting line. This is comment line. Star means comment line. Star. Okay, star means comment line. So here now commented, no use this one. Okay, no use. Next, I will print my name. This is okay, single quotation Gangadhar program. Okay, single quotation star. Sorry, not star, full stop. Each and every line should be closed with a say right syntax are written with a single quotation. Now if I check the error, no error. If I remove this one full stop, then it will show okay, some information. See, the last statement, 13th line, this is 13th line. Statement is not complete, period missing. Each and every line it should show, like even same C in Java, okay, like any Python related program. So you will understand the same type of issues there also, but SAP still some clear okay, information also will give here, and some input also will give automatically. Okay, that is the advantage of SAP. Okay, now it is missing. Which one is missing? If I enter comma, it won't give that. Okay, that also will give errors here. Okay, because it is not still ended. Okay, just end with that particular line it is giving. Then I'll close full stop. Now check here. Okay, no error. Okay, syntactically correct. Then execute here. Sorry, activate. This only one line I am activating. Okay, activate here. Activate. Then see here. Now this is active. Execute here. See, Gangadhar program is printed. Okay, Gangadhar program. Like this, this is just only printing, but this is just only manually I have written. Okay, we won't use this type of lines We will use always standard tables. That standard tables tomorrow onwards I will. Today, what is the importance of SC38 I am explaining. That's what I am giving small right syntaxes, comma, full stop related. Okay, like if you want to comma, how to write the comma. If you want to full stop, how to write the full stop. If you want to use star, how to use a star. Only basic, okay, basic outline related programs I am giving. Tomorrow, exact report I will start it. Explanation with the report. Okay, today only small concept related. Okay, concept. Let's say if I give here comma, then compulsory you have to write another line. Okay, another line means another line is okay, one more line is pending. Okay, that one line. Then I can use it my program. You see, my report. Close here. Full stop I can see here now. After comma, immediately there is another line is there. Okay, execute it here. Execute it here. Okay. After comma, then I have written one more line, my report, then full stop. Then this line also should be printed now. Should be printed. Because I did not activate, no? That's why directly I executed. I have to activate it. A revised version is there. If it is revised version, directly if we execute it, it will take this some time. Okay, that's why you have to activate first. Then you have to execute it. Activate means you have to run this symbol, Control plus F2. Sorry, checking. Control. Here now it is displayed. My report. Okay. Meaning first you have to revise the version is there, you have to activate, then immediately continue, then immediately active version, then if you execute immediately it will show output. Okay, so Gangadhar program and immediately my report also has come. Okay, my report also. Why? Because I used here comma option. Okay, I used here comma option. If I use comma, then it will go to the next line also. Next line means some more, one more line is there, then it will consider. Then that line also will be printed. That line also will be printed here. My report. Here, if you use slash here, let's see slash. Okay, slash forward slash. And if you use another slash, okay, this next line also. Let's see first. Or check the errors. Then before it is printed, two lines are printed in one line. Let's see now. It will be printed in next line. Okay. Yes, slash is nothing but a next line printing. Okay, next line printing. Like that, you can print n number of slashes. Okay, n number of. Okay. Okay. Okay, sample. Example. N number of full stop, no problem. Just only check the errors. Effect. Okay, like this. Means here slash. If I won't print the, if I won't give the slash, let's see what will happen. Okay, it will be printed in same sequence line. Okay, it will be printed all in same sequence line. Activate. Understand the lines here. All in one report. Okay. Now, if I the slash it is dividing that particular lines. Okay, slash is the next line. Okay, next line. Check the errors. Now I have to print the date, today's date, like today's date. Okay, according to the database, what is the date is there, I have to print it. Okay, this is now let's see. Star I told you, star means commenting line. Now I have to comment this line. This is a right syntax. Here in the middle of the line, if I want to comment, I told you what is the line, double quote. This is right syntax. Okay, right syntax. Like that in middle of the program, if you want to comment. Okay, this is just a sample. Like that, middle of the line, if you want to comment, you can use it. This all we will use frequently in reports. That's what I'm giving all the. Okay, simple only, but usage will be more. Okay, simple usage will be more. Commas, full stop, colons. Here colons here. After right, compulsory should be printed with a colon. If it is semicolon, no, it won't work. Okay, if it is semicolon, it will throw errors here. It is red color. This is red color. Means error. It will throw error. In 13th line, it is showing error. ninth line it is not showing, ninth line, okay, 13th line it is showing error. Then immediately you have to change, that is colon. Colon is there, it will accept, otherwise it won't accept. Next, okay, right, then slash, next line, comma, next line it is going, comma, okay, double quote, okay, okay, this is double quote is nothing but just commenting line, okay, like that. Now another write, okay, now I can write it another write, today's date I am printing. If you want to print the data, okay, SAP has given one structure, default structure, SYST, okay, one structure is the default name, SYST is the structure, okay. It is a default structure, in SAP. What exactly it contains? It contains system fields, okay, system fields we can use frequently in SAP reports, SYST, okay, that's what I'm explaining. What exactly this contains, SYST contains means it contains so many fields. Uname is username field, okay, client field, these are all the fields, okay, datum, UZEIT, write down these fields only, okay, UZ, okay. What is uname? Uname means username. What is mandate means? Client is the mandate. What is data means? Okay, date. What is UZEIT? Time. Okay, like that we have the SAP is already defined these names, okay, we can use it. Okay, date, this is the time. For each field we have one name, where you can observe, we can see all under SYST. Only today I'll show only this one. Just go and check that SC11. We can check that SC11. Let's see. Open this one. SC11. Okay. If I want these fields, this all fields, these four fields. Let's see. SC11, SYST. You can enter on the table or you can enter in the data type. Both are no problem. SYST. Display. If you click display here, this is active. SYST. What is this SYST? ABAP system fields. SYST means here I have written, okay, ABAP system fields. ABAP system fields. What exactly it contains means so many fields. 171 SAP has given. Okay, 171. All no need to use it. Okay, only whatever like requirement according to your requirement you can use that requirement. Here I had given some requirement. Control F. Uname I had given. Let's see. Say this is uname. What is the username? The name of the current user. Name of the current user. What is the name current user now? You can see here. What is the current user name? Okay, SAP user 1. Okay, SAP. Let's see. I'll print here. Same. I'm using this username. I'm printing my user. Here to print my username, write is the syntax. Okay. Double single quotation. Username, comma, uname or uname. You can write in like this. See, only one line I have written. Let's see. Check that error. No error. Then activate here. Okay, activate. Then if I execute it, username, sample report, username. Why? I did not specify here slash. Then immediately that it's specified in same line only. Okay, better specify this one. Execute. Then another line here. Username is SAP1. Okay, this is only username. Okay, this is this is user 1. Then which client we are working? Client 800. I have to print it. Okay. For that also we have one syntax. Copy. Write down here once again the same. Paste it. Now change it here. Change it. Client name. Okay. Client. For this client also SAP has given one. Okay. Field name. Mandate. Let's Control F. MANDT. Okay. Mandate. See, mandate is nothing but your client ID of current user, client ID of 67th field. Like that we can use some important related okay, field names only. We can use it in reports. Those all we will work out in. I want to print a date. Okay, date. Okay, UZEIT. Okay, data. Let's see, check the errors, activate, execute. Okay, client number, date, okay, usernames, okay, usernames. Okay, like that we can, okay, sorry, this is time actually. Data. Date means one more field, data, that is. Okay, data. Datum, this is time, this is okay, date. Okay, continue. Effect. See, username is printed, client is printed, time is printed, date is printed. Okay, like this. Okay, this is an application server data. Okay, application server data. Okay, to specify means to like specify this type of report. Okay, we can use this here. Only today, just I explained only how to write the report. Okay, how to write the star, what is the use of slash, what is the use of double quotation, what is right, what is the next line if you want to print it slash, then what is the syst. Instead of writing syst, you can write it one more name, one more way directly. You can print right. Okay, okay, like any field, program name if you want to print it. Okay, program name, comma. You can use syst or you can use directly sy also. Cprog. Okay, Cprog. Cprog means it's a program name directly tell. Okay, see here I have written here sy only, but here I have written syst. But no need to use syst compulsory. No need to use syst compulsory. You will use short name is sy. Okay, directly in SAP that is a okay, short name. Not for all the tables, only for this structure it is possible. See here? No error. You can use either syst or sy. Sy is nothing but system. Okay, system program. See here now program name. This is a sample report. Okay, like this. Okay, like this we can print this type of data by using this option. This is just general overview. General overview. Okay, this is only for your okay, printing the names here. Printing the name and printing the commenting line, star and which one. But in tomorrow class, okay, I will give you clearly with the tables because I cannot complete it within the half an hour also because minimum 1 hour I required for the table related concept. That's why tomorrow, okay, okay, one table I will take it, customized table. I will write it the code, okay, clearly how to fetch the data. Like here we have the data in database table. These are all just only runtime. Okay, we have table in database. We have to print in the output. Okay, this is database table. Database table. From this data, I have to print it to output. Okay, this is output. This is output. If I want to print the output, this table related information I have to write it in one middle layer. That middle layer is nothing but an internal table or buffer table. What is the use of internal table, how to declare internal table, how to debug the internal table. This full okay explanation because I cannot complete within even 15-20 minutes also I cannot complete, otherwise I would have to take this 1 hour when required for the only this small program, one program. Why means this is a first program, first technical program. This is just only lines, small lines, but that is the program I will explain. Tomorrow I'll start once, okay, like our own customization table, then I'll start the coding. Okay, I'll start the coding. Today I'll stop it now. Clear? Praveen, Amit, Priya, Santo. Okay. Tomorrow class I will give on based on database table and debugging also I'll show it.